Hello friends, it's Keroy here reading from Dancing with Words, and this poem is called Assignment. Alpha and Omega, a soul with an endless, everlasting existence, experiencing itself in amazing ways. Here comes the new adventure. Check out the renowned art school where human creatures have a mind of their own. Forgetfulness is a requirement at birth. Dependency on others is learned from the womb, where manifesting is slowed down due to the nature of this density. Our universal laws have been hidden from the inhabitants. Polarity is actively at play. This art school is where karma plays out in the most cruel ways. The creatures are programmable to perform other people's tasks at will. The art school, an enchanted world of magic and mystery, to say the least. Aspects of the Creator expressed. Lightning strikes as two organisms collide, feminine and masculine entangle, unfolding into a swarm of fluid, dependent on a host for survival, embedded purely on unseen intelligence, hoping they're from the similar monad, whether comic rewards are awarded and comic debts are paid. In divine time, you are expelled through a dark tunnel. It's a canal, the birth chamber, where each school awaits your arrival. The art school waiting for your arrival, armed with a will to survive, with a task to unwrap the gifts embedded within you through growth, trials, tribulations, activations that will trigger a remembrance. The promise is you will remember the assignment, and yes, the remembrance came to me like a thief in the night, like a lightning bolt striking through straight into the heartstring. I recalled the assignment. Feels like words are the packaging, carrying light codes that activate the memory, opening themselves up to reveal one layer after another of your other lives, discovering the meaning of this art's experience. Along the way, the assignment, word porn, word vomit, erotic words, dancing with words, casting spells from worlds unknown, escalating in ecstasy with the newness of words, orgasmic in the feeling that erupts when the right words find a home in your heart, heightened senses to capture any word that comes through, salivating at the next rhythmic sentence, poem, or story, word upon word, building on each other, line upon line. Climactic is the ultimate interaction with the volume that flows through. I understood the assignment. This poem is called Assignment, from my book, Dancing with Words. Talk to you soon.